What's up? What's up? What's up, limitless people? Well, come on in the room. Come on. What's up? What's up, limitless people? Welcome back to Building for Generations. It's your boy, your man, the Tenacious Badass Dudley. Do right here before you guys. Today is December the 12th, 2021. Time is flying by. What are you doing to advance your future? What are you doing to make your dreams reality today, right now? Love putting off things for New Year's resolutions. What are you doing to advance yourself and your journey in this life and to realize your dreams and to make them actually become true? Being too cautious is the greatest risk of all. Make your dreams reality now. Time is the number one currency in the entire world. Use it now. Without commitment, you will never start. More importantly, without consistency, you will never finish. Do more in this life. And I'm here, and what fulfills me is helping you get to the next level. Welcome back to Building for Generations, where we are here alive and present with you on our journey to 3,000 strong, limitless business leaders who will remain unstoppable in building wealth for themselves and their families. So are you aligned? Are you aligned with our circle? Join our circle here at Building for Generations is our YouTube. And me personally, I'm a real estate investor and I have a background in tax and accounting. And I want to apply all of my financial literacy to this life and be fulfilled by giving and helping people get to where they are going within the real estate. So today we want to focus on our impact, the impact of annual planning, right? People think of annual planning meetings as something that's boring or something that they have to go to because it's a requirement for their job. But most people don't know, like if you're a self-employed individual or you run your own business, you get to take an annual trip yourself. You can go anywhere in the world and write off that trip 100%. As long as the majority of the time spent on the trip is for business. So today, I'm going to give you guys a little sneak peek of what I have planned for my corporation and all of my businesses this year. We are going to continue our journey into specialization in 2020, where we are specializing in solving complex problems for short-term rental companies such as Airbnb, Vrbo, and ride-sharing communities such as like Uber, DoorDash, and stuff like that. So we are opening the doors to do more of a catch-all system. We are doing free W-2 filing for anybody who wants to be aligned with us and join our circle of limitless business leaders. And let me go a little bit deeper into that. These limitless people they just have that tenacity about them. So if you don't have that tenacity like me and you're not a badass, you're not meant to be a part of this circle. These are for the people who know we're gonna die and we're gonna get it. We gotta get it. It's no options out there but to go get it and to be limitless and to just go ham. Just give it all you got every single day that you wake up is a blessing. And I align myself with people who want to do more in this life. So as we move into real estate developing and developing real estate teams and building teams out, I want to give back and help people with the tax and accounting side. That's why we created Dudley Accounting Services, where we do tax and accounting for real estate investors, real estate professionals, and more importantly, those business leaders who are striving to be successful. Well, how do I position myself in real estate to get the most benefits? That we want to create a streamlined approach for you guys to go about it in an effective way, in a systematic way. We're all about systems here at Dudley Accounting Services. We love systems here, but how can we go about that in a systematic way to build wealth for you and your family? So our journey to specialization in 2021, I'm excited for it. So we're doing a catch-all for those people who have just a W-2 job. Go ahead and get on our website here at dudleyaccountingservices.com, and you can go ahead and sign up for an account. For those people on DAS underscore tax pros on our Instagram, go ahead and hit the link of our website to get to this, but you guys can't see on our screen. But for those of you guys who can see on our screen here, go ahead and check our website at dudleyaccountingservices.com, where we have a bunch of stuff for real estate professionals who are in the short-term rental market. Airbnb Superhost tax plan is coming up, and we're going to go from A to Z to how to complete a tax plan for a real estate professional and get the most benefit out of your tax year. It is December 12th, so a lot of you business owners who are watching this, you're in tax planning season. So if you don't have an accountant in your corner, get on our calendar ASAP so we can set you up, because the cutoff is coming. December 31st is our cutoff. You can't do anything after the cutoff. So we want to stress you guys to go ahead and get on our calendar and engage with us. Limitless business leaders only. You can also stage your space. We partner with a company who stages Airbnb. So if you are looking into staging your space, go ahead and visit our website as well. And also we do fundability. So if you are a business looking for an SBA grant or loan and you need assistance with it, with filling out the application and getting all your correct financial statements and documents in order, we also offer that as well. One of our main bread and butters are our businesses, and mainly real estate businesses who don't have financials. We do QuickBooks cleanups through a QuickBooks Pro advisor, and we get completed financial statements for you so you can file your taxes organized and in a timely fashion. So go ahead and visit us at dudleyaccountingservices.com, and then you can sign up for the 2021 tax filing. It's free of charge, no hidden fees or anything like that for W-2 employees. All you have to do is sign up here, click the link, and it'll send you to our sign up portal. You'll sign up, you'll get an email to begin an account setup. Pretty simple, and we'll set up your account portal, and that way you can upload your W-2s and all that pertinent information that we'll need to file your tax return. We'll have a 5-minute discovery call. It's not required, but those limitless people don't care. You guys will get on the phone, and this is kind of what, this is who I am. This is what I want. So you guys know what it is. So I won't spend too much time on that today. So let me dig into, let me dig into our annual planning agenda. So the benefit of being a business owner in America is awesome. Like, you get to literally write off anything that's ordinary and necessary for your business to operate, right? So we get into things that are ordinary and necessary. The perks of being a limitless business leader is your business is ordinary and necessary to the survival of you and your family. You need to make money, but you need to plan it out. And one things that we heavily adopted this year and in the past 2 years is taking an annual trip to where we take the family. My son, he works at our rental properties picking up trash and taking the trash cans out to the curb. So he works in our rental property, and my spouse, she also works on the rental property and helps out with cleaning and everything. So we are taking our trip, an annual trip, and we are going to write off the whole thing. We're going to write off the lodging, we're going to write off the plane ride, and we're going to write off the mileage. If we need to rent a car there, we can write that off too. Anything that's ordinary and necessary for your business is where you kind of want to have your mindset. So let me share my screen with you guys here so you guys can see my details. I got rid of the pertinent information so you guys can see what you guys need to see. But you guys can see on our schedule and our agenda, a check-in here is going to be the good thing about traveling for business. When you travel, that is considered a business day, not a personal day. And then on December 25th here is going to be on Christmas, right? So we're going to be there during Christmas. So the tax code says any holiday is seen as a business day if that's the date within your trip. So this December 25th is going to be right smack in the middle of our trip, so we can't avoid it. So it's going to be a business holiday. And then December 26th is going to be a personal day. I'm going to try to go out there and go skiing again. I have this story when I was younger. I went to Wisconsin Dells and I forgot my gloves in the cabin. And I was like, I'll still try it. And it was the first time me skiing. I'm falling all down the hill, falling all in the snow. Long story short, I got frostbite. I think I had frostbite, but I was in a car crying like I thought I was gonna die that day. So it kind of scarred me. So we're gonna try it again and do some skiing this year. See if I like it, see if I can work on my balance and all that, stuff. But you got to remain limitless. You got to go out here and live, people. Live and do things that you never thought you'd do again. I never thought I'd be on a pair of skis again, but we're going to do it. I ain't dead yet. So December 27th is going to be the bulk of the planning meeting, and that's where we're going to go over this meeting agenda here. My spouse, my son, and other people that are going to be attending our annual meeting. And then checkout is going to be on the 28th. We're going to come back, and it's going to be a business travel day. So you can see this is an easy way for you guys to set up. If you guys don't have this set up, go ahead and make a calendar invite. Go ahead and put your schedule in the calendar. I don't know if you guys use Google, but Google is a great resource, and a Google Calendar is a great resource to use to kind of document everything that you do within your business. So therefore, if you need to go back for an audit or anything like that, you have it within the system already to where the schedule was, what the agenda was, and kind of who all attended. So it's a best practice to use Google Calendars if you guys have like meetings coming up and you guys can write your details in the notes. So I highly recommend you guys do that. Meeting agenda, you guys can read what's going on there. We're going to have what are we thankful for, which is the primary reason why we live. What are you thankful for, in this life? We really want to be grateful for what we have, the good times and the bad times, because, man, the bad times surely shaped the Tenacious Badass. So I love it all. So I'm in the spirit also of the holidays, in the spirit of giving. So we want to definitely give back, and then sow into those people that grew and developed us and created us to who we are today. So this is pretty much it as far as the plan. And we're going to build on top of this agenda closer to the date. But I kind of wanted to show you guys kind of how we were planning for year end. And there's a common best practice that you can adopt within your real estate business. And you can document within Google Calendar. It's pretty easy for you guys to do. So with that being said, I'm going to wrap up here, but we are in the season. We are in the season, people. We are in the season of giving. So next week, we're going to do a Fire Week. And it's a special Fire Week giveaway, I call it. Every day we're going to go live. And I'm going to share with you tips and tricks for you, an Airbnb host, you, a short-term rental, you, a real estate investor. I'm going to be sharing all the goodies for free here on live. And what you need to do is just tune in for those free Fire Week giveaways. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a gift raffle. So every live for every day, we're going to give away 5 gifts. We have them right here already wrapped up and put it in a box for you guys. For those of you guys who are still on this video, you guys will know we got them wrapped up, ready to send out. So we're going to pick 5 individuals, 5 subscribers. So if you are not subscribed to Building for Generations, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Like this video and all that good stuff for the algorithm. Man, it is awesome what we are doing. So to enter the raffle, what we are doing, we are giving out five gifts to limitless people who will remain unstoppable in 2021. So all you have to do is be subscribed to Building for Generations and like this video, and then you have to comment below that particular video we're discussing live. If we're going live in a particular day, you have to comment below Limitless 2022 or comment Unstoppable 2022. Comment Limitless 2022 or Unstoppable 2022 in the comment section, and we'll do a random selection each day, and then you will receive your gift, and we'll work that out and correspond that and work out those kinks and how to get that to you. So we got the fire week coming, guys. We get ready for it. We are approaching the end of the year. So get your ducks in a row, ready for tax time, especially you guys who have a large sum of money from doing Airbnb, or you guys are doing ride sharing or something like that. You guys are doing Uber, or you guys are real estate agents, and you guys did a banging, a crap ton of sales, and you guys have a lot of 1099 income coming in. You want to know how to pay less taxes with that, go ahead and get on that calendar at DudleyAccountingServices.com. Our vision here is to accelerate the world's transition into a shared economy. So go ahead and reach out to us at Dudley Accounting Services, or give us a call at 708-264-6686. You all be blessed. Peace.